Hello traders out there in Traderland. This is Dez here at Grok Trade. It's Thursday, October 10th, 2013. This video is a little later than normal. Sorry about that. I had a big golf outing to go to, and I'm taking a Citizens Police Academy course, which runs late into Thursday evenings, which has been so fun. So far, I've had a chance to drive police cars, go shoot on the shooting range with the police officers, and also did a K9 day where we worked with the K9 unit. And then next week we get to do the tasing, and we get to volunteer to be tased, which I'll probably volunteer to do. Hopefully that'll be the one and only time I ever have to be tased. Anyway, check this out. The S&P up 2.2%. That's huge. Dow up 2.2%. NASDAQ up 2.26%. Russell's up 2.5%. Gang, anytime you see the major indices up more than 2%, that is a massive move. Dow up more than 323 points. Massive spike to the upside. Banks up 2.25%. VIX comes crashing down. The fear bleeding out of the market, going from 20 down to 16.5. Gold dropping 1.5%. Silver dropping by 1%. Crude oil up though by 1.5%, with the US dollar up a fraction. You'll see that utility sector keeps going higher. It's up 1.36%. Interesting. Take this in. We have the S&P 500 boom to the upside after the doji. I said to be watching for a good upside bounce here, but I said the real big chart to be watching here was the weekly S&P. We were down there, if you remember yesterday, sitting on that line. We came down, come up, sitting right on it, and then boom to the upside. This is so powerful. Really surged due to some words going out there that Congress and the administration getting their act together and coming up with some sort of plan to get the government back up and operational. That's good. That really sparked this rally. But check this out. So the daily chart, we have support broke, and we have a doji, and we come up, thought this would be a resistance area, but we plowed through there, stopping right at the 20-day moving average, closing near that day's high. You'll notice we have no lower shadow, we have no upper shadow. It's just one big white or green candlestick. Massive. That's actually the biggest rally we've seen in 9 months. Just a huge rally. There's probably more upside potential here, and I see that coming. So for the longs, I said, for anybody still holding longs to this, there's a painful drop here on this. There's a lot of people that bought in long here and here on these white candlesticks, just looking for this bull pullback rally. Had to sit to a lot of this pain, and then we're coming back out, and that pain's starting to dissipate here, which is very good for the bulls. And we have a lot of upside potential here. Let's see if the markets can do it. I foresee tomorrow, Friday, seeing a little bit of a stalemate. I don't see a lot taking place. Maybe a little bit of a white candlestick, but nothing like we're seeing today. So take a look at the NASDAQ. You'll see that we're down here. We come back up. By the way, anytime you have a wedge like this or a triangle, and you're within the confines of the trend lines and you break down below it like we did right here, but immediately it heals itself, comes back in. These are called jabs. So this is a jab, and usually it's indicative of a lot more upside potential here. The S&P, same thing. We came down below a support area, but immediately come back in to between the two trend lines to heal itself. So this broken trend is now healed because it's back within it. These are called jabs. Very hard to foresee. If you look at gold here, gold popped up, was showing a lot of support, looking for an opportunity to go northbound, but now we actually closed lower. We're really showing a lot of weakness. Did not expect that from gold. Silver still okay, above a support area. Still would be, if you're long gold, I would continue to stay long gold, or silver. I would stay. Gold maybe unload a little bit if you see any more weakness. It's just broken a little bit of support. So Google was up 2%, really looking good, bouncing off this support break in a resistance area. Or that was Microsoft, by the way, Microsoft. And Google here had a doji popped up, have some more upside potential, not too much though. And Facebook bouncing, but we had some resistance. And Apple here, we're above resistance point. Even though we didn't go up as much as everybody else, we're still above some of these crucial areas, which is good. And on our Stock Picks V newsletter, comes out each week, our big winner was CONN with a big 8.8% run just today alone. Very big run. GTLS was up almost 6% here. Nice pop. And on our bear list, or YUM was our loser today. And that was on our bear list. Those were fundamentally weak. Anyway, you have a mentorship coming up this weekend. Use it or lose it. You want to get signed up for this. However, what I say is don't look to get signed up. What you want to do is just fill out the form, and I'll show you that here momentarily. Fill out the form. Just have a talk with Carolina. It's an interview talk where all your questions will get answered. There's 0 sales. You will not be sold. You're just going to be asked a lot of questions, so be prepared for that. And anyway, that's it. So listen up, and this is how to find out more about what we're going to be doing this weekend. Awesome time.
This may not be you, but traders who come to Grok Trade for help are sharp, well-educated, and have made money in the past. However, they weren't executing consistently nor disciplined in managing risk. They bought high and sold low. They let small losses turn into large losses. They kept losing money. This does not have to be you. They made a change before it was too late. Grok Trade students trade within the live markets with confidence. Get signed up today before it's too late for your trading.